Hi there everybody, and this is my 200,000 subscriber giveaway. Now, I asked in my last video whether people would prefer one winner with a bigger prize or two winners with a slightly smaller prize. So the overwhelming majority, both here and on Instagram, voted to have two winners. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. We're going to have two separate winners, each winning exactly the same size prize. So I've teamed up yet again, as I always do for my giveaways, with Laurelyn of Snufflebean Yarn. We are offering, or she is offering, a 10% shop-wide discount for the duration of the giveaway. So that's a really super thing for her to be doing. So I will leave the 10% code and a link to her website in the description box. So as I say, that will run for the duration. So even if you don't win the giveaway, you can still grab yourself something at a bargain price. But so for the two winners, I have chosen to give away to each winner. So each winner will receive two of these patty cake yarn cakes. So it's the Sirdar patty cake, and it is a beautifully soft yarn. So this is a blanket I made with just one of those cakes. So because I'm giving away two for each winner, you can obviously make something twice the size. So you could make a really good size blanket or shawl or whatever you like. I will pop a little image in as well of some of the different shades available, but there are quite a few different shades and they are all absolutely beautiful. So what you need to do to enter, first and foremost, make sure please that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Secondly, leave a comment on the video. Now, I couldn't decide what to have the comment to be, but I thought if you just maybe commented on what your favourite tutorial of mine is, or what your favourite project is that you've made using one of my tutorials, whatever you like, but just leave a comment down below. And please only leave one comment per person. And the giveaway is open worldwide. So it doesn't matter where you are in the world, you can enter this giveaway. The giveaway will finish on Saturday the 19th of October. So you have got 2 full weeks to enter this giveaway. Make sure you share it as well with any of your crochet friends so that they get a chance to enter as well, because who knows, you could both win, which would be really amazing. But yeah, so subscribe, leave a comment, and share if you wish. And then also make sure you check out the 10% discount code and the Snufflebean website, where you can see all of the different beautiful shades of the patty cake that are available for you to peruse. And also just bear in mind as well that Snufflebean has been working super hard, and she is trying to get it so that you can shop in your own currency as well. So they're not all on there at the moment, but there are some. I know that there's definitely American dollars that you can use, things like that. So it just makes it that little bit easier and clearer for you to know your prices. But that is it. That is the 200,000 subscriber giveaway. I really hope that you think it's a good one, and I really look forward to drawing the winners in 2 weeks' time. But thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and I will see you for a normal tutorial very soon. But bye for now.